In primetime news this evening, my hands are clean. The Prime Minister defends his integrity.
PNP eager for general election date.
And party promoter blames unruly patrons for traffic nightmare in St. Anne. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now for a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, it's all about company news this evening. We give you the latest on Omni Industries and Ann Rock Insurance. Those and more in the business day.
And Renata Brown has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. What's up?
Well, Archie, the West Indies have lost yet another T20 series, this time to Pakistan. And Jamaica started their CONCACAF Under-15 Championship with win over Belize. We'll have those and much more in Primetime Sports.
I feel like he doesn't have any good news in sports.
I was about to say, should we just skip past the West Indies part? I don't know. Anyway, Romain has better news, I hope, in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Over the next few days, we do have some rainfall in store, especially across western sections of the island in the afternoon. We still have those tropical waves that are moving through the general area, and there is a tropical storm that is in the North Atlantic, no threat to the Jamaica area.
Told ya.
He said rain. I'll give him rain. You can hear more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And Archie, this evening we are asking what more can be done to ensure the smooth flow of traffic in St. Anne during entertainment events?
I'm sorry, I have a comment, but I'm not going to say it. You can share yours online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
You were caught in the traffic jam on the weekend?
I would
no?
say.
Okay, say less. So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.